What's up, Nicolas? This is a quick demo video for you for your Mara Jade, or the Hand of the Emperor saber. This is by SP Sabers and Props and Shadow Foil Props. Got this done this morning for you. I haven't been able to get a hold of you yet, but I'll get a hold of you later today. It's no problem. This is installed with a Proffie. You've got CC sabers in here for your lit PCB. This is a 2-button setup. So this bottom switch right here, or this, what looks like a screw, that's your activation, and then the other one is your auxiliary. And then you've got a box up here with 2 accents in it. So I've got 2 NeoPixel accents underneath each of these guys, or one underneath each, so 2 total. And I've got them doing a little something different when the saber's off. You've got it's the cave scene green blinky from here, and the red one from over here when the saber's off. And then when we turn it on, the green stays on, and I turn this into like a blue color that's pulsing. So it looks pretty cool. But there's a copy of the config file on your SD card, so you can change whatever you like. Okay. How to get to everything is you just want to unscrew this handle. This comes right off. You got your chassis right here. It's hard to see on camera, especially with the lighting and this gray PLA, but it does say Shannon McRandall is Mara Jade. Rung just underneath here, SP Sabers and Props and Collectibles over here, Solo Sabers over here for me. You've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, and then you've got access to your micro USB and your SD card, right? But if you ever need to take this chassis out, you can. Both of these switches are on magnets, so you just grab it, pull it right out, just like that. It's on a magnet. Pull them both out. You will have to unscrew these 2 greeblies right here, and then unscrew this box and pull it out. And one thing I added to this saber that wasn't on there before, you can just barely see it underneath this shroud piece. I put a grub screw under there. I drilled and tapped a grub screw for a chassis retention. So you get to that and loosen that, and then once you do, this entire chassis slides right out. Okay, the switches and the PCB and everything, it's all part of this one chassis. So get to that one grub screw, loosen it, pull your 2 switches out, and this guy will pull right out for you. Okay, let's throw a battery in it, and I'll show you what's going on. Just like that. I'll turn this light off. And then while I throw the handle on, you can see what the blinkies are doing right there in the control box. These are on a timer. So if you don't turn the saber on right away, they'll time out for you so they don't kill your battery. Right there, right? When we turn this on, like I said, the green stays on, and then the blue just kind of pulses. All your LEDs firing up in there. Auxiliary. You got nice shine through also right here. And then I gave you twist off. I didn't give you swing on. You'll actually have to come over here and hit the switch. But you can twist it off. We'll throw a battery, or not a battery, we'll throw a blade in this guy real quick. This takes a 7/8 inch blade. Right here. And then you're going to want to lock it down. You've got a single blade retention on this guy, which is right here, right? Nice and solid. This does have the stock font package on it. I just went through and added some coding for your blinky, so you can see what I did there on your config file. But we'll hit auxiliary to go another sound font.
Smooth Jedi.
Turn it on. We'll cycle through some colors. There we go. So it cycles through colors really well. We want to find a red. Find that red. Hit power. Now when we turn this on, we've got a red blade. Just like that. Just be aware, if you're going to use the color wheel to change your blade, it's also going to change your blinkies here, right? So now we have a red and a blue, and the red is pulsing. So essentially just flipped. swing's working well. Shine through right here.
Smooth fuzz.
You get blade lock up, you'll hold down aux and hit the saber at the same time. And it'll stay like that until you let go of it. Just like that. All right. So we'll go ahead and we'll take the blade out of here and then go over taking the battery out. You probably won't be able to take that out with your finger. You're going to need a small tool or something. So I'll show you how to do that. I'll just unscrew this guy. And then I usually take the back of my tweezers, like this right here, just something like that. Come over here from the positive side by the speaker and just pop it right out, just like that. But anyway, that is basically your Hand of the Emperor. Let me know if you got any questions. And if not, I will get a hold of you and get this guy out in the mail to you ASAP. All right? Thank you.